You ever wake up in the morning and wonder, did the CFO of a billion-dollar tech company just quit? Because I did. And that company? ServiceTitan. Now, ServiceTitan, for those who don't know, is a big deal in the tech world. They make software for contractors, plumbers, electricians, basically the backbone of the trades industry. And the CFO? That's the financial wizard behind the curtain. The number cruncher who keeps the ship afloat. So, when rumors started swirling about a potential departure, it sent shockwaves through the industry. But did it actually happen? Let's dive in. First things first, let's talk about the rumors. They started bubbling up on social media, those mysterious places where information morphs faster than a chameleon changing color. People were buzzing about a potential leadership shakeup, and the CFO's name was at the center of it all. Now, rumors are like wildfires, easy to start, hard to control. So, we need to separate the facts from the fiction. To get to the bottom of this, we need to do some detective work. Let's examine official press releases, company statements, and financial reports. Any mention of leadership changes? Any financial irregularities that might hint at trouble? Will leave no stone unturned. After combing through all the available information, it's clear that the rumors of the ServiceTitan CFO stepping down are, well, just rumors. There's no official confirmation from the company, no press releases, and no evidence of a leadership change. So what gives? Why did these rumors even start? It could be anything from market speculation to a simple misunderstanding. Sometimes the rumor mill can be a powerful force, capable of creating waves even when there's no substance behind it. This whole situation highlights the importance of verifying information before jumping to conclusions. In the age of social media, it's easier than ever to spread misinformation. So, it's crucial to be a critical thinker and rely on credible sources. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.